Welcome to Masroor's English Club. I'm your language instructor, Masroor Shumro. Today we are going to discuss because versus because of. Because. Because is a conjunction. It means for the reason that I'm late because it was raining. He got injured because Marshall hit him hard. Just because I don't complain, people think I am happy. I did it because you told me to. Note, because is used at the beginning of clause before a subject and verb. Now, because of. Because of is a preposition. It is used to say that somebody or someone is the reason for something. We were late because of rain. I'm happy because of you. Because of is used before a noun or a noun phrase. Thanks for watching Masroor's English Club.